In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a PNG image in Figma quickly and easily. This is a super useful trick when you're working with transparent PNG files and want to match your brand colors, change an icon's appearance, or customize an asset without recreating it from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Figma tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Figma and import your PNG image into your design file. You can drag and drop the PNG directly onto the canvas or use the import option if you already have the file saved on your device. Make sure the PNG is transparent, because this method works best when the image has a clear background. If the PNG already has a solid background, the color change effect won't work the same way. Once your PNG is on the canvas, you can optionally set a background color for the frame if you want to preview the image more clearly. This is not required, but it can help you see the edges and the color change effect better while you work. To do that, select the frame and choose a fill color from the right panel. Now click on the PNG image to select it. On the right side of Figma, look for the Effects section. Next to Effects, click the plus icon to add a new effect. From the list of available effects, select Inner Shadow. This is the key step that allows you to recolor the PNG in a creative way. After adding the inner shadow, the default settings will appear. The first thing you want to do is reduce the blur to 0. Setting blur to 0 gives you a sharper and cleaner color fill effect instead of a soft shadow look. Then, increase the X and Y values. As you adjust those numbers, the inner shadow will start moving inward until it sits more toward the center of the image. Keep tweaking both values until the effect looks right for your PNG. Next, increase the opacity to 100%. This makes the effect fully visible and ensures the new color shows properly. After that, go to the color option inside the inner shadow settings and choose the color you want. You can pick any brand color, accent color, or custom shade that fits your design. As soon as you choose the color, you'll see the PNG update visually inside Figma. If the result doesn't look exactly right, you can go back and fine-tune the blur, X, Y, or opacity until the image looks perfect. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially for detailed icons or logos. And that's it, that's how you change the color of a PNG image in Figma using a simple inner shadow technique. It's fast, flexible, and really useful for design workflows. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.